Hello, let me introduce you to the Safety Action Menu, or SAM, Loss Control's second discount program designed to help WSI policyholders save on premiums while improving workplace safety. SAM is made up of 9 separate discount programs that you can enroll in at the start of your premium period. Since it's an annual program, you'll choose your programs each year. These programs are mostly self-directed, so you can work through them independently. However, your safety consultant is always available to answer questions or provide support when needed. Each completed program earns you a 5% discount. By successfully completing just 3 programs before your premium period ends, you'll receive a total discount of 15%. You can take part in as many programs as you like, but the maximum discount per period remains capped at 15%. Every year, you'll have the option to stick with your current programs or try something new, giving you flexibility to focus on the areas most relevant to your workplace. To help managers get started and stay on track, we offer detailed overviews through our learning management system. These overviews outline what to expect during the first year of participation and provide guidance on setting up each program. The overview videos also are a great resource whenever a new manager takes over. These are the different programs available to choose from in the Safety Action Menu. As you can see, they offer a variety of ways to enhance safety at your company. We will give more details on each one. The Certified Safety Management Program offers a recognition discount from WSI for employers who have achieved one of the listed certifications. Holding one of these certifications demonstrates a commitment to maintaining a safe work environment and meeting rigorous requirements. Since obtaining these certifications can be time-consuming, once completed, employers can then apply for the WSI program to receive an additional 5% discount. Another option within the SAM program is the Drug-Free Workplace program, which requires a written policy outlining the testing methods you use. You may choose one or more testing methods, but once decided, it's important to educate your employees on the process. Annual training is required for both supervisors and employees, with documentation signed by all parties to confirm completion. As we know, proper documentation is essential for WSI to approve the discount program. While employers are not required to pay for an employee assistance program, we ask that information be available and EAP services be provided to staff. This helps employees know where to seek assistance and demonstrates the employer's commitment to supporting their success and well-being. The WSI Safety Academy is our online learning management system, available to employers with a North Dakota policy in good standing. Only employees working in North Dakota and reported on the annual payroll report are eligible to use the system. Participation requirements are based on payroll information from the most recently completed premium period. Identified employees must complete at least 1 course per quarter through the year. If turnover occurs, a replacement must be designated to fulfill the remaining requirements. To allow adequate audit time, the 4th quarter course should be completed by the end of the 11th month. To support this process, employers must designate a company representative to complete a one-time LMS administrator training. This administrator will oversee all learners, with the option to add a second administrator or assign an intermediate manager for additional support. The LMS provides access to more than 600 courses, offered primarily in English, with some available in Spanish. The Return to Work Designated Medical Provider program requires a written policy. All roles and responsibilities of your staff should be identified, including procedures for injuries, education on transitional work, and each year a review of the return to work information, to include the designated medical provider for your staff. The employer should also inform the providers they were selected to see any of their injured employees. It is also helpful to educate the provider about your workplace so they have a better understanding of what goes on and how to set any work restrictions. Inviting the DMP to your work environment for a walkthrough could also be helpful. This education needs to be done annually and documented so they know what to do in the event of an injury and what to expect while they are recovering. As mentioned, we have the overview course on the LMS for first-year participants to help them understand the program requirements and their role or when there is a change in the manager of the program. Now, let's talk about the Safe Driver program, one of the key offerings within SAM that focuses on reducing vehicle-related incidents. A few of the core requirements include having a written safe driving policy and implementing an annual checkpoint maintenance program. These proactive measures, especially doing a quick check before getting behind the wheel, can significantly reduce the risk of crashes. To qualify for the program, participants must complete all outline requirements, including defensive driver training. This program is designed for anyone who drives a personal or company vehicle for work purposes at least once a month. The defensive driver training is required once every 3 years, but all other program elements must be completed annually. We provide the defensive driver courses through our learning management system at no cost to the employer. For small vehicle operators, there are 13 courses. For large vehicle operators, 15 courses. The total training time is around 4.5 to 5 hours. We ask that all training be completed by the end of the 11th month of your premium period to allow time for auditing. On this slide, you'll see a chart listing the required courses for both small and large vehicle certification. If you prefer to use a different approved training provider, you'll find those options listed in our SAM booklet, available on workforcesafety.com. And if you're planning to use an alternate program not already approved, make sure to request approval before your premium period begins. The Safe Driver program is a great opportunity to improve fleet safety and reduce your premium while protecting your team on the road. The Safe Lift program requires a committee that meets at least monthly. There is no specific number of people required, but having enough to manage the program might involve several employees to include some management level staff. An audit of your facility is required in order to see what lift risks there may be, and then have a plan in place to reduce those risks. You will want to make sure to implement the plan and always show how you measure any success on avoiding injuries. The Safety Committee program requires a committee charter with an equal number of employer and employees. The committee should meet at least monthly and maintain clear documentation of what it is achieving. For first-year participants, the first meeting should be within the first 90 days. If you are renewing the second year, the first meeting should be from the start of your premium period. All members need safety training, and the committee should maintain minutes for each meeting. Changing up members every so many years is good to get fresh ideas. If you are in both the Safety Committee and the Safe Lift programs, you can have the same representatives, but you will need to keep separate minutes for each committee. The Safety Orientation System is also known as a mentoring program. The program requires new employees be assigned a mentor who will keep track of the mentoring activity for at least 3 months. It is important the mentor and mentee communicate and document the success of this interaction. Hazards, safety concerns, and near misses should be reviewed along with reporting those incidents and injuries. The mentor should also share the emergency response procedures and return to work procedures. All Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, and Mine Safety and Health Administration, or MSHA training should be conducted and documented. Slips, trips, and falls continue to be one of the most frequent causes of workplace injuries in North Dakota. That's exactly why the Slips, Trips, Falls program was developed to help employers take proactive steps in reducing these incidents. Key elements of the program include reviewing historical claims and incident reports related to slips, trips, and falls. This helps identify patterns or recurring issues in your workplace. Documenting potential slip, trip, fall hazards is essential, whether it's uneven flooring, poor lighting, or cluttered walkways. Identifying and recording these risks is the first step toward effective prevention. Taking corrective actions is equally important. Documentation not only shows that you've recognized the issues, it also demonstrates that you're actively working to resolve them. A strong Slip, Trips, Fall program includes training and education across all levels of the organization, from frontline staff to management. Everyone should understand the expectations and how their role supports a safer workplace. For full program requirements, refer to the Slips, Trips, and Falls sections in the SAM booklet, available on our website at workforcesafety.com. Additionally, working with your WSI safety consultant can be a valuable step. They can help you evaluate your current risk areas and offer guidance on how to meet the program standards. Preventing slips, trips, and falls isn't just about compliance, it's about creating a safer, more productive environment for everyone. Thank you for your time. Please visit the safety page of our website, workforcesafety.com, for more details.